I am not familiar with that term dry orgasm, but I know what my husband does.
Mhm,
And he will get to a certain state of arousal and he will
mhm,
just relax.
mhm,
Whereas normally in conventional sex, you would increase that arousal to get towards the orgasm. We're not
mhm,
ready to stop.
mhm,
So he will just relax mostly his stomach muscles and
mhm,
he still keeps an erection, but he doesn't increase it to the point of no return.
mhm,
But we can
mhm,
make love for several hours that way because we stay at a certain level of arousal. It's similar
mhm,
to edging, except that it's not controlled. It's just
mhm,
let's relax a little more. So
mhm,
tantric love is often what we might call a very relaxed lovemaking. We're
mhm,
not trying to get more intense and more intense. You know, regular sex goes more intense, more intense, more intense, the big bang payoff,
mhm,
which is very fun. But in Tantra, we're not trying to increase the arousal so much. We're trying to sustain the arousal for a longer period of time
mhm,
because we find that increases love.
mhm, mhm,
It increases love that way. It's more time we can stay in that beautiful state together.
mhm,
And if you have normal sex, which may last 20 minutes, that's great. But that's only 20 minutes of being close. Maybe you could be close in that beautiful, intimate stew for an hour, 2 hours, as you said, two or three.
mhm,
And of course, we don't always have time to make love that long, but
mhm,
that's we find that it actually becomes love making. It actually makes more love when you're not just in a hurry to stop being intimate.
mhm.